got lipstick, you know, that's one area of your face that doesn't change even if you're going through chemo, and you can still have that kind of bold look, which gives you confidence as well, doesn't it? Yeah. So my biggest confidence tip when your confidence is through the floor and you're not feeling very well, one really good thing is to do your lipstick really nicely. Now, we had lip balm on here, so I'm just taking that off with a tissue because you don't want greasy lips when you're about to put your lipstick on. And the biggest tip I can give anybody is to use a lip pencil. Any brand, they're all great, just get a colour that you like. And my tip would be to get a bright one. So basically what you do, you line the lips, the shape of the lips. Michaela's got really lovely full lips, so I'm just going to line her natural shape. And you'll notice I'm not doing like one great big movement, I'm sort of just using a back and forth motion so that you can get a line and it fills in any gaps. And this is our Christmas party red lip. And it will change your confidence. So fill in the entire lip with the pencil. If you make any mistakes, use a cotton bud or a Q-tip to tidy up. And then just running it along the bottom. One amazing tip to keep that lipstick on when you're eating and drinking and stuff is to fill in the lips with the pencil. And I'm just going to fill in that shape. Just do a smile with your lips together. So I'm just doing that because then you can see if there's any little gaps. Okay, so that's just the lip pencil. And then I'm going to just kiss onto there and try not to rub them together because it'll change the shape. So I'm just patting some of that off so it's nice and matte. So a little bit comes off there. And then we go in with the lipstick. Obviously you don't have to use a brush. You could just use it straight from the tube. But I'm gonna add the lipstick over the top. I mean, the lipstick and the lip liner don't have to be exactly the same colour, so don't worry if they don't completely match, but this is actually quite a good match. So using a brush or just the lipstick itself, rub it, just put the lipstick over where you put the lip liner basically. And by doing this, you've created the base with the lip liner, so that will help it to stay on. Blotting that lipstick, again, will take off any kind of excess moisture and it'll help it to stay on a bit more as well. If you want to be really, really precise with it, you can do the lipstick again over the top. I think because this is quite an intense colour, we can pretty much know that this is all we need. Come on. Cool, let's have a look. Oh my god, it's gorgeous! Ready to go out for wherever we're going. The makeup's finished, the lipstick's done, the mascara, a little bit of gold eyeshadow, the brows. We did the cream highlighter here. I'm going to do a little bit more of a powder highlighter. We can just do a little touch on the cheekbones there just to add some glow back into the skin. Just sweep a little, I mean, you do this so lightly so that there's no obvious way you've put it. Really adds a kind of glow back into the skin when you're feeling